Okay, we're here at Rolling Acres Cinema tonight. They're having a really terrific midnight movie playing, and we're gonna go check it out. Alright, so here's the theater. This is the freakiest part of the whole mall, in my opinion. There's like a big draft coming through here because everything's busted open on one side. So you probably buy your tickets here. And so it's just like a spook fest here, you know. Look at all that black mold and stuff. It's crazy. So here's where you say, yeah, large popcorn, extra butter, please. How much is it? How much are the good and plenties? Okay, good. And a small Coke? Okay, $55. Okay, thanks. I bet a lot of that went on right there. Okay, more carpet on the steps. They didn't, scrimp. They put it all the way down, all the way in the theater. Okay, check this out. This is really freaky. My thumb is like numb. My hands are freezing. I think right here is good. You know what? I want to sit up closer. You know, they used to play cartoons. And what's up with that? I don't see anything. No previews, no cartoons. Excuse me. Yeah, that's really not good. Okay, there's our nice seats. You know, at one time, this thing was probably packed with a bunch of people sticking gum under the seat and spilling Cokes on the aisle and all that stuff. Alright, I gotta get out of here. I gotta go to the bathroom. Okay, so that is Rolling Acres Movie Theater. You know, I can skip over to this movie if I wanted to. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay. So there you go. There you go. The Rolling Acres Cinema 3 playing blockbuster hits 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. And so, let's see, the theater's down here, yeah. I have a good flashlight here that I'll try out. Because I think looks like they shut the electric off. Oh yeah. Oh, now would you look at that? I wonder if they're closed. Oh yeah, okay. Here we go. It's a theater, no problem. Oh, they closed the door. Yeah, look at that. We are about to enter the theater, and they're playing a new movie. It's about World War III, and it's really kind of a scary movie. Well, let's find a good seat here. I mean, it's like a big disaster movie, you know. Yeah, it's playing already. Still frame. I love those still frame movies. They're so realistic. Look at that. Oh, man. You know what? I want a front row seat. I mean, I think the realism really comes into place if you have a front row seat. But you know, I gotta go to the bathroom first, so let's get out of here. And we'll catch up with it later. Let's see, where was I sitting? Yeah, I think that one's good. Alrighty then. Let's go up to the projection room. So I better turn that back on. And I'd like to see if I can get a copy to this movie. Because it's really a cool movie. You know, honestly, I think the reason Rolling Acres is not doing so well is because they're not turning the heat on, you know? My face is like frozen. It's like an ice cube. My fingers, I can't even feel them anymore. And it's really a big drag. So I think if they had turned the heat on, they'd get more people out here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They're playing a end of the world movie today. It's called Holocaust 3. And I heard it's pretty good. They use that stop motion technology now where they just show one frame for like 10 minutes and let the people soak it in. Yeah, extra, well, triple butter. Can you do triple? Okay, do you use sour cream too? Okay, the movie started already. You know, I love this movie cinema carpet here. You know, I mean, this is really quality stuff. Oh, excuse me, sir. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm in people's way. Okay, the movie started already. Let's see, wow. This is a really fantastic movie. Look at that. I think I'm going to sit towards the back because I might get too frightened being up too close, you know, to the action. I think this is good. Oh, you know what? I think I want a front row seat after all. I mean, honestly, it's more of a effect if you get up close to the action. We'll just go right here. Yeah, oh, sorry, sir. Okay. Oh, wow. Man, this is like you're really in the disaster itself. It's crazy. Oh, you know what? I need to go. I forgot to brush my teeth before I left. So I'm going to head out to the restroom here. And I think I'll brush my teeth just, you know, in case I meet a hot chick or something. Let's see, how do you get out of here? Oh, I guess that way's blocked. Okay, good. There's the restrooms. I don't see any restroom. That's kind of weird. Well, that's not a restroom either. Oh, we gotta keep this door shut and locked at all times. This is a projection room. That's crazy. You know what? Those are old projector stands, I think. Here's what the movie thing looks like. And here's the metal movie. They're all playing the same movie. It must be really super popular. Okay, well there's where, I think that's where they do the film editing at that desk. And then down here is movie thing 3. Wow. This is really freaky. Okay, I gotta get out of here. Okay, you know, I don't want to watch a movie after all because I just realized it's a really nice day out there and I gotta get moving. They need to wash that black mold off the walls. You know, I don't know how much they pay for house cleaning around here, but I think they've been skimping lately. Man, look at these ceilings. Oh, here's the restroom, okay. Yeah, well, looks like the water's turned off right now. Which isn't too good. Alright, well, I gotta get out of here. Hey, let's go to Rolling Acre Cinema. See what's playing. It's down this way. Oh, here it is. Cinema 3. Looks like they're not playing any movies today. Yeah, not good. You may be asking yourself, why not? And you know, that's a good question. Why not? The seats are still here. I think it's just pretty much toast. So anyway, Rolling Acres Cinema has played its last movie. Rolling Acres also has a movie cinema. Oh yeah, oh yeah. They play blockbuster hits around the clock. And tickets are very, very reasonable. You really need to check out the cinema at Rolling Acres Mall, alright? Okay, we are here today at the Rolling Acres movie cinema, and we're gonna go in and see what movie's playing. Okay, let's see what's playing. I think they have that World War III movie going on. Let's see, World War III and then World War IV. I think I'd want to see 3 first, because you might not understand 4 if you don't see 3. Okay, here's where you buy the popcorn. Looks like the popcorn's not ready yet. These chairs need rust-proofed. Look at that. You know, if you wanted to record a movie back in the 40s, that's what you had to carry on your belt. It wasn't easy. And this thing here is a 1948 dual projection transport dynamo wheel. And this is how they used to do the movies back in the olden days. Oh yeah. I just banged my camera lens into something. That's not good. Oh, look at that. That's kind of cool. I could work that thing. Anybody could. Now, I really like this thing. What I want to do is get one of these and put it like in a dashboard of my car where the radio is. And here's Theater 3. Yeah, let's keep it quiet, people. Let's go to these. Excuse me, girls. Wow, they're rough on their bathrooms too. Look at this. So that's a movie theater, or what's left of it, here at fabulous Rolling Acres Mall. Stop in. Check it out. Tell your family, tell your friends.